Good evening. The entire state of New South Wales is tonight in lockdown.
I'm not apologetic. Please don't write and complain to me.
I feel what we're imposing on our citizens, and I feel the fear.
It's been a while, hasn't it? While I'm starting to feel the strain of not having gone on a camping trip in many months, I've decided to test out some of the local tracks. Now, some of the tracks in this area are renowned for being pretty impossible. So there's a few flex track areas, a few river crossings, and a few places I can attempt in the hope that I won't tip over. Also in this episode, I left my camera at home, so everything today is filmed on a phone using this marvelous tripod. Now for this trip, I'm going to be heading over to the Covid National Park, which is about a 5-minute drive from home. Now along the way there's a flex track that no cars have ever done before, as well as a few river crossings that might prove a bit of a challenge. So I guess let's go. So this is the entrance to the first track. Looks pretty ridiculous actually. I'm not sure how far I'm going to get through this. So we'll have to hope nothing bad happens along the way. If a Prado can make it, anybody can. As you can see, I'm pretty lucky I didn't roll over this time. But it goes to show that the modifications I've done to my parabolic springs are working. As you can see, I've taken out the lowermost leaf. If I hadn't done that, I'm pretty sure I'd be on my lid right now. Well, that was definitely one of the more intense recoveries I've had to do, but at least I was able to drive out of it. I guess I better think about doing a few more tracks and then maybe setting up a camp. There's one last obstacle we've got to check before we go there. Everyone's got to do it when they're visiting the area. It's called roundabout. I'm not sure why. Well, I guess it's time to find camp. So it's a bit too windy here. I guess I better find camp somewhere else. So I had a bit of a search around and I found a pretty nice one just up a small mountain here. Now in general, the campsites around here are pretty rubbish. And this one's a bit dark, but it's free at least. And unfortunately that's about it for this video. Tomorrow I'll be embarking on the long drive home, so there's not much else to see. Tune in next time for another extreme adventure.